Hello guys, we're gonna play Teardown and we're gonna fight creatures part 2. There's very much new creatures that I downloaded from the internet. Yes. And you're gonna see them in this video. Yes. Down into my first. Hi!
See, that's a bit scary, huh?
Hey, meat! Hey, what? Get, what can I? Hey, Freddy Fabour! Die!
You're on fire?
It's
No.
coming after me.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's just spinning around like dancing, huh?
Wait, no, make him dance. Come here, Freddy Forever. He's out of metal. Is this Freddy Fazbear? Freddy, um, bad person. Suck him up. Hey,
Yeah, he started to go faster.
come here. Yes, sucked him up like a little sucky fuck. Wait, we're gonna not the animatronics. The other animatronics we're not going. Alien.
This alien, huh? Oh, so scary, huh? Shoot.
I see. What is
I
that?
don't know where he is. Oh, he's moving here. Near the car, huh? What? What sound?
He's faking it.
Taking it?
Yeah.
He wants to catch you? Maybe now? He's done?
Yeah.
Oh, no, no. He's dead?
Yeah, I'm just holding him. Put him right there.
Why is wiggling?
No. You know what? Mm, for safety, I'm just I can do that, but she's gonna just lie there. Yeah. Another thing.
Oh, you think
Hi.
he's a threat to you? Huh? He's not in water, but he can move.
He's invincible.
Oh,
But
how the fish can be invincible?
look, I just gonna.
But he can do nothing to you.
Yeah. Now.
Oh,
Hello, creepy. Oh, he almost exploded.
he, he's attacking you.
No, stay, good creepy. Creepy. Look at him. He's a creepy dude. I look creepy. Maybe he wants some of this. He just swallowed that meat.
He wants you.
And I'm not gonna get me. What are you gonna do, huh? I don't show you, but I have an ice gun.
Ice gun.
Yeah, look. And freeze on water. Hello?
Is he frozen? Oh, no, moving. Huh?
Frozen. Freeze him. Let's see what if he explodes, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Hey,
He's still alive. I said to you.
broke to those glasses.
Uh-huh.
Hey, stop that. Don't move. Hello?
Whoa. What does that for? So was that? What
That's a big explosion for them.
bigger? And
Okay.
there is no creeper.
Yeah, it exploded.
Mm.
Another.
Ooh.
He's very lanky.
And then,
And he's... That's real. Can you, you knocked over this. Means you get it back at your face. So I can just, take him by the... He's dead.
my goodness. How? Rex?
Rexy. Hey, Rex. Hey, stupid Rex. Hold shit.
He's angry.
You don't want to walk? Die, 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 die. Come on. In the... Stab him in the body. Yeah, head you. Still alive.
Yeah. Stuff.
In the face, in the wrist, in the foot. He's still alive. You know the sniper and just... That's to his head. Die. How? What? Die. He's still alive. How is he still alive? How is he? What? Die. Stupid creature. Does he? I? You're friendly?
He
No.
doesn't have eyes, but
In the body. In the body again. In the body. How is he still alive?
I don't know.
I'm not gonna shoot him to death, but...
Better garments.
A sledge. Knock his teeth out. Knock his teeth out. Well, you know, Rex. Yeah! No, he's just angry.
Goodness.
He's still alive. Die, I said, die. Still alive.
So just body reflections, huh? He's not alive, huh?
You know what? You know what?
A lot of meat, huh?
Yeah. Kaboom him. Now, maybe 2 abdominal flexes. Yeah, that's something else. A skeleton. Skelly.
Oh, he's...
In the head. I'm gonna turn him to bone meal. Turn him to the bone meal. Now he's bone meal.
Oh.
Look at this. This star. Hi. You friendly? What's in your mouth?
You don't afraid he will bite you?
Just attempted to bite me. You didn't hear that click of his mouth? He attempted to bite me.
Oh.
He needs some dental surgery. You know? Knock out it.
Oh.
Yeah, knocked out more of his teeth, but so jaw is knocked out. The dental fixes, don't need that. Yeah, now you fix him, go there.
Now you're good, huh?
No seeing, too. He doesn't need that. Now he's the scariest shark in the wild. You know what? Doesn't need a nose, too. Don't need his fins. You're a great swimmer, but you need another. You're gonna swim better without those fins. Without this clump of dirt on your back. Now he's the beautiful shark in the wild.
Is it?
Go to the ocean. This is a regular fish. Go to the sushi man. Another thing. Chica. Okay. Hi, Chica. Hey, Chica. Chica, Pika.
Oh, Jesus! She killed you. She killed you. That was scary, huh? Unexpected, huh?
Where's Chica?
I don't know.
Go there. Hey, Chica, Pika.
Dangerous.
Knock your teeth out. You messing with me, huh? Knock your teeth out. Pink. Chica Pika, get out here. in the restaurant. She's in another world.
She's far away.
Yeah, far, far.
That was scary.
Hey, Longy.
It's not friendly.
Not so long now, huh? Hey. Knock him. Knock. Knock him. And knocked him out. Hey, Chica. You want this?
She may come back, but probably not, huh?
We're gonna see, okay? Where she is. In the water.
Too far away.
In the water.
In the
she
water?
Is. Yeah.
Ah.
Means it's dead. She is dead.
Oh, that's awful, huh? Those creatures, huh?
Hey, Bonnie. Look, Bonnie we have. We have Bonnie. Hey, Bonnie. Oh, you got Bunny, yeah? It's stupider. What's that sound?
Oh. Creepy sound.
Yeah. We'll fling him into another atmosphere.
Wow.
Did he go down here? I think.
Yeah, I think we're good, huh?
I hear something in the distance.
Maybe Chica's come back.
Well, if Chica's in the water, means she is dead.
All dead, huh? Creatures, huh? Yes.
I see something that's over there
So,
moving. But somebody is still alive over there. But if somebody is alive, they can get me. That jump scare was so scary of Chica. You know? So scary. Just frightening. I'm never playing that game ever again. I played it one time, I think. I don't know.
Oh, it's so scary.
When wasn't here, I played it and I was jumped and I fall out of my chair. This was so scary. Actually, yeah, I did play it. Thanks for watching and bye, and like and subscribe because this was a crazy episode, part 2. Yeah, bye.